Everyone, this is Alec, Karanikolas, and today I have another Robinhood pack opening, or stock opening, I should say. So this is actually my father's Robinhood account, but I've been getting referrals for him. Told him not to open any, but it looks like he's opened a few. And I do not know how many stocks he has to open, but we'll see. So we're going to claim our first one right now. Skip. Groupon. Hopefully I can get another Facebook stock. That would be very nice. I'm going to open the stock from Zachary. I'll pick the left one right here. Sprint. I keep having to shave it. See how many we have. A net. Another Groupon. Let's see. Fitbit. Nice. Another free $4.84. Free stock from Aaron. Another Groupon. So you can see the account's now up to $38. Zynga. Another classic stock. It doesn't look like we have too many more here, but share Sprint. Oh, that was a bad one. I don't think we're going to get any stocks above $10 today. It's up to 55, and we've had, 4, 5, 7, 11. So far, we've had 13 stocks, and it's worth $54, so it's not too bad. Sprint. We might have 2 left. Another share of Groupon. Hold on. And that's it.